Welcome back to our series of videos looking at the character section inside Plottr. And in this video, we're going to look at a general overview of the character section. So here you can see on the left-hand side is our list of characters, and on the right is the details about each character card. And then in the left sidebar, we can add books and tags that are associated with this character. Finally, in the top, we have our character toolbar, which gives us some different options for creating and using the character section. So from the toolbar, we can add a new character, we can use a character template, we can add different attributes or characteristics that we'd like to track for each character. We can also add categories. So here you see I have main, supporting, and other, but I can add other categories to help sort my characters. Finally, we have the option to filter by different segments, or we can sort our list. So that's it for our brief introduction to the character section. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and give the video a thumbs up. And make sure to subscribe to our channel for all our latest updates. And I'll see you in the next video.